Well, hello you guys. I probably look a little tired and crazy, but I just finished cooking dinner. Ignore my small plate. I am starving. It's 7:30 and I think I still want to do a walk tonight. Um just because it's been a long day and that helps relieve my stress, but I haven't eaten anything. I think this morning I know what I had. I had a piece of toast, a hard boiled egg, and this orange slice because I had meal prepped that and I didn't finish it. And I didn't go grocery shopping until today. We're coming off of Easter weekend, so I'm a little behind schedule on things. So I went grocery shopping today, went to the bank today. And so we just made it work for breakfast this morning. And then for lunch, I had chips and salsa. So when I got home, I ate a Reese cup, some Easter candy, and I made a protein shake. Looking at my cup over there. So I just put some almond milk and a protein powder in a cup and shook it up. And I've been drinking that while I work on this little project. So I'm done with that. I was multitasking on my laptop, cooking dinner. And now I'm like, do I really want to do this walk? But I'm starving, so I'm going to eat anyway. So basically, what I have is some chicken breast, and I seasoned it, added some lemon juice, some avocado oil. That's what I cook with. And then once the chicken was done, I seasoned it with salt, pepper, Italian, and garlic powder. And then once the chicken was done, I added in some frozen broccoli, turned the heat down, let that steam, and then we already had some cooked quinoa, even though that was what I was going to use anyway. So I just threw in the cooked quinoa, about a cup, and then I put some melted mozzarella and feta. Well, it was fresh, and then I put the lid on it, let it melt, and then it turned out so good, you guys. It's such an easy recipe. I'll have this written in the description of this video. So let me turn the camera around so you can really see it. But it turned out really, really good. This might be like one of those at least once or twice a month. Make this quick, easy dinner. Yeah. All right, you guys. So sorry it's not super pretty because I've already dug in. But the cheese melted so nicely. And like I said, this was super quick and easy. And yeah, I did it all in this one skillet. So if you already have some like quinoa or rice already prepped, just throw that in once the chicken is cooked and the broccoli is steamed. And then once the quinoa is in there, add your cheese on top, put the lid on, let it melt, and it looks so tasty. So I'm going to eat this right now. Kodiak pancakes have become one of my favorites. They're so good and are packed with protein. And so I wanted to make a quick and easy pancake this week with some rolled oats. I didn't use an egg. Cook them in some coconut oil, and these turned out so delicious. I actually topped them a little bit differently. Kind of looks like IHOP, doesn't it? Instead of butter and syrup, I used peanut butter, some cashew yogurt, and some frozen strawberries that I let melt. And the fruit from the strawberries, or the juice from the strawberries, kind of made a syrup. And I'm going to take a little bite for you guys. These were so delicious. It's something different. You know, I always do eggs in the morning or just plain oatmeal in a bowl. And these were quick and easy to make, delicious, packed with protein, very satisfying and satiating. So thumbs up on this one. My next breakfast this week was an acai bowl, which was kind of a fail because by the time I got done filming this, it had melted. So I got to get the right consistency, but it tasted good. Topped with granola, peanut butter, and banana. This will have to be in an upcoming video. I was on a Zoom meeting while I was making this dish, so I wasn't filming, but by the state that it's in, you can tell that we are loving it. We are enjoying this. It is a veggie roll-up lasagna, so I'm heating up a couple pieces right now, and it made about 10 rolls, so It was so good, you guys. So I'll have it in an upcoming video. For lunches, I am still on my sandwich kick, so I've been loving the smoked Gouda slices. It's actually a vegan cheese and it's really good. I also tried this everything but the bagel ranch dip. It's dairy free. It's not vegan. It does have egg in it, but it is dairy free, and I got that at Fresh Time Market. And I loved having that with my carrots. It's really good. If you love everything but the bagel seasoning and everything but the bagel bagels, you would love this. And we made it to Friday, and what I like to do on Fridays is to like pick up fresh fish and have it on whatever greens we have left, just to make sure that nothing goes to waste. And I love my salmon salads. And ending off today's video with some Chick-fil-A. It was Saturday, and this was a nice, delicious treat. Alright, you guys, I've got to run. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Love you. Mwah.